And this is what happens with the lawnmower fight. Oh my God, the red one is literally chasing after it.
No, you don't want to be on it.
Hey, come here. Come here. Out of the danger. Oh my God, they're at it again. Oh, brown one's on top. Oh, they're still chasing each other. Oh, look at that ram. Oh, they're coming over here now. Go, Lawnmower Brown! Oh my God, Betsy's broke! Oh, now the red one's taking advantage of it. Oh, this is horrible to watch. This is just horrible. Oh, Betsy's up and riding now. Yeah, Betsy's winning again.
Yeah.
Oh, that was very exciting.